Okay, here is a video of the beautiful blue fawns and sables that we have available from
Bonnie's litter.
Bonnie
and Romeo.
Bonnie and Romeo. The boy's gonna look just like Daddy.
6 weeks and 2 days old.
Yeah. And they just got their colored collars on. You'll see those listed on the puppy cam. What puppies have what collar. So you'll
itchy for them.
Yeah, you see them scratching at their necks.
Hi. Well, you want to give me love? Hmm? Come here. Come here. Give me kisses.
Oh goodness! You're so rough on your buddy.
WWF going on over here. You like playing on your back? Huh? Some puppies love to be on their back and get killed. You're one of them, aren't you? And your teeth are growing and getting sharp. Who wants to play with the binky?
So this way, now with the colored collars on, if you're looking interested in any of these pups, then you'll know who's doing what. Because what color the collar is, huh? Are you looking at me? Nope. You all done? That's number 6.
Fix your ear.
No, he says I just got one up and one down right now.
Fix that ear, mister. He's still on his back.
Silly babies.
Look at that belly. They all have great personalities.
Oh,
no one's
yeah.
overwhelming, no one's shy.
You know, Mom and Dad both have really mellow personalities. No spazzy puppies. No A-type that we can see so far. Yeah. Yeah.
There you go.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hey. Hi, baby. Hi,
You're a
baby.
cutie.
Their markings are just starting to come out. Yeah. Oh, pretty baby. Huh. Yeah.
Kisses? Kisses? Hmm? Oh. Oh, you want to give kisses. More belly rubs, mister? You're biting my jeans. That's what we should do, is make a bunch of denim toys.
Yeah.
Of jeans.
Oh, yeah.
And a tennis shoe.
What's
Extra
that?
laces.
What's that? What's that?
Make a toy that has like 12 laces coming off of it.
Yeah.
That'd be perfect for us. Another one over here, liking his belly rubs. It's so cute. They try to bite you, having a Frenchy face. You just gotta hold your hand out. They can't get it.
Yeah. Oh, you getting that toy? Oh my goodness. So you can watch these puppies on 24/7 Puppy Cam. Watch them grow up. They're going to be with us another 3.5 weeks. They're ready to go at 10 weeks of age. I believe these guys are 10 weeks the day after Valentine's Day. Now we've also reduced prices on our blues to keep up with the market trend. So for the last few years, our blues have been going for $6,100, and we've reduced all of our blues now for this year to $51 to keep in pace with the market.
Most of them have tan cheeks. Here's a fine example. Come here, you. Number 6. Blue fawn with tan cheeks. Mommy has those, Daddy has those, and lots of wrinkles. I have lots of ankles, huh? Yeah. You're a lover too. Y'all are. No one tries to take your face off. You're funny. He was dancing around. Huh. You're the one who likes your belly rub. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Belly rubs for me.
Oh, goodness. They're having such a good time.
Look at him. I could stay here all day. Just keep that toy here. I'll just stay on my back.
Yeah. Oh, playing pity patty with 4 feet.
I love the back feet.
Yeah.
You're so funny. You looking for trouble?
Yeah. He's got that look on his face, doesn't he?
Like he's getting away with something.
Yeah. What are you doing over here? Huh? You guys getting in the toy basket? Getting some toys? There's a pretty face. Oh! Oh! I see you. I see you, Mr. Blue. Yes, I see you, Mr. Blue. Yes. What pretty eyes you have. What pretty eyes. So the eyes on the blues start out blue, and then they'll gradually fade through a green phase and then become a light amber like the parent's eyes. So they do not stay blue. That's probably the #1 question we get on the blue puppies. Do those eyes stay blue? No, they do not. No, they don't.
Eat my knee.
So you can see they love their toys. For this breed, that never goes away. They really love their toys. You never waste $1 on a toy. Oh, what was that?
Where were you going?
What was
Such a
that?
hurry.
What was that? What was that?
Brain said I want to go there really fast. I'll try.
Oh, goodness. Here's #1 girl. She just didn't photograph very well. She is super cute, but just not very photogenic.
So the red collar is sold. That's #3.
Mm-hmm.
Are you killing my finger?
Oh, what? You guys, there's plenty of toys.
No, they're busy eating each other. Huh. That's why we take these videos. You can see they all have decent, beautiful personalities.
And they're healthy and happy and bouncy like puppies should be.
Well, yeah, I'm not getting down there. You're always acting like you're getting away with something. I think they all like their belly rubs. Look how cute you are. Look how cute you are. 3 boys, 3 girls. Not perfect litter. Yes, it is. Okey-doke. So here they are. If you want to sit down here and play with them, give us a call and schedule an appointment and give you a tour and let you see absolutely everything, and then come in and get some puppy playtime.
We're available 7 days a week, and we do our appointments from 10 o'clock in the morning until the last appointment at 3 in the afternoon, and we allow 2 hours for your visit.
Yep. So you get here at 3, you're not going to leave till 5:30.
Yeah.
Okay, puppies, say goodbye.
All right, puppies. Bye-bye.